Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix poor camera quality issue on your Huawei and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So this problem could be there just because you are running in the phone which is in the power saving mode. So if it is in the power saving mode, you just have to disable it, and you have to check whether after disabling the power saving mode the issue is fixed or not, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And the reason you are facing this problem might be also the camera is actually what happens is if after installing any third-party camera app you will be having this trouble, so you have to think in that way. And also the camera related common Huawei issues is often caused by the OS bug, right? So you have to check for the updates and you have to make sure that you're on the latest version. Go over here on the system update and check for software update, and if it's on the latest version you don't have to worry on anything. This is what you have to do. And the reason to this problem is nothing but a problem in any of the hardware components of the phone can also cause the issue, so you have to check in that way. If the hardware issue is there, then definitely you have to book an appointment and you have to talk with the expert, and most probably they'll be helping you guys out. And you have to do and check and make sure the actual problem is not caused just because the device image stabilization opens or it's got disabled, so that can fix the issue. That can also cause the issue. Sometimes the problem is just caused because you are using the best, you are using the safe mode as I said earlier, or you're on the power saving mode, which can cause the issue, and you have to think in that way. And also sometimes the chances actual problem is just caused because you are using the wrong shooting mode has been selected on the camera settings, can also issue. As you can see over here in the camera, when you're trying to capture something, if you're on the wrong way, that will also causing you the issue up. So you just have to check in that way over here in the camera settings, and you have to do according to it, so which is also very important. And also you have to check if you have to make sure that your camera lens is not damaged or something. Definitely if it's get damaged, definitely you'll be having issue. So in that way also you have to think, so it's not with that, so you just have to think in that way. So if you're on the damaged issues, and you will be definitely having all kind of issues, so you have to think in that way also. So these are the basic things what you have to try out when you're having any kind of issues on your camera, and most probably these are the basic things. And also suggest the last and the least one is when you're having any kind of trouble with the camera and all those things, and you have tried all these steps, even you make sure the hardware components are, you can't make sure, but even though you cross-check yourself and it's all good, then just simply do a restart and see. And most probably parallelly you have to make sure you're having enough space. Okay, when you're having enough space, that is also very important. When you're trying to capture something, this has to be stored, or else you'll be having issues. So which I suggest you guys, you have to go in parallel, hand in hand, you have to check in this way. And these are the basic things which you have to try out when you're having poor camera quality issue on your Huawei, and this is how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.